So messed up. Oh my god. Hello everyone. Say hello. This is our announcements team. We are having a team outing.
Yes. Oh, now you're part of the team.
Yeah, she has been included forever.
Yeah.
We have decided that vlogging is a good way to practice announcements, so I just started vlogging again. Happy birthday!
Fix it.
Yay! Say hi. They finally got their food too. Wait, I need to come over. Oh, that reveal.
Okay. Alright, you're good.
You're good.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Paul.
Mama Pop!
Birthday to you.
Yay! Please blow it out. So today is July 1st. Yeah. And I'm with Lisa. Wow, you cannot see Lisa. The sun is too bright. My hair. But yes, we're at. Oh, look, it's Josh. Josh, say hi. He just left us. That's cool. But we're at Josh's parents' place. Josh, you gotta say hi.
Is that your fancy camera stuff?
So here's our ramyeon. This is her fried rice. Wow, this is huge. Okay. This is my cup. 잘 먹겠습니다. So, it's kind of dark in here, but tell me your thoughts so far.
So far, the fried rice is good.
She got the beef fried rice, and I have the chicken cup. I thought it was supposed to come in a cup. Wow, she's slurping it up.
It's good.
The next day.
What'd you get? Oh snap, oh snap. We're at Croc Street today. So today is July 2nd. We are at Croc Street Market. We came after church to hang out and eat.
I can't smile right now. What a cute puppy!
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Is it a toy?
So we ended up coming out to the skate park by Pond City, and we are fingers crossed hoping that there will be fireworks for the 4th of July. Yeah. It's so hot.
There has to be, like, we should be able to see it.
Because I saw a couple of people like standing in the parking lot.
Yeah!
So are we going the right way, Elise?
The lady that told us just walked by us.
So what does that mean? What does that mean?
Yeah, that's her right there.
What does that mean? Wow, 오빠 한국 다녀오면서. Wow.
What does it have to do with Korea?
So far.
Bifop? Bifop?
What are you talking about?
We made it to the fireworks show. Oh, what is this? Ah! What is this? Use without internet. Oh my goodness.